An oscillating tool is not the only way to remove a flange. There are practical alternative tools and methods that work well if you do not have one. Start by assessing the flange and surrounding material. If the flange is corroded or nailed through, soak the area with a rust penetrant and give it time to work to reduce binding. A reciprocating saw with a metal cutting blade can cut through flange collars or bolts. Stabilize the workpiece, use slow controlled strokes, and clamp a metal blade or scrap under the cut to prevent tear out. A hacksaw is low-tech but effective for thin flanges or exposed bolts. Use a high-quality bimetal blade, keep steady pressure, and cut in long, even strokes to avoid blade binding. A rotary tool with a cutting wheel is useful for precise trimming around tight spots. Hold the tool steady, wear eye and hand protection, and make short passes to avoid overheating the wheel. A dedicated flange removal tool or flange puller engages the lip and pries evenly. Position it to distribute force and work around the flange incrementally to avoid bending the flange or damaging the pipe. For stubborn or welded flanges, consider using a grinder to make access cuts, then finish with a small saw or chisel, always supporting the pipe and checking for internal fittings or seals so you do not damage hidden components. Common problems include binding blades or tools when the flange is corroded or has trapped fasteners, which you can avoid by applying penetrating oil and loosening fasteners first or cutting through at the weakest point. Another issue is damaging the mating surface or pipe while cutting, which you can prevent by using backing supports, cutting slowly, and marking cut lines clearly so you only remove the flange material. A third concern is sparks or heat affecting nearby seals or plastic components, so move or shield sensitive parts, work in short intervals, and keep a fire extinguisher nearby. We run bighomeprojects.com and we help homeowners find trusted local contractors and offer resources about repair methods like flange removal. Our site also connects contractors with potential work and hosts an active discussion community where we and others share tips and ask questions.